Today we are going to do new chapter in English, that is Around the World in 80 Days. It is written by Jules Verne. The characters in this are 1. Narrator, 2. Phileas Fogg, 3. A servant, and the name of that servant is Jean Passepartout. Mr. Fix, he was a detective, and friends of Phileas Fogg, and the name of the friends were Andrew, John, Samuel, Thomas, and Ralph. So I have just told you that there were 5 friends of Phileas Fogg. Now the story starts, and the story starts with the introduction of the narrator, who was Mr. Phileas Fogg. He was an English gentleman who lived by himself in Savile Row in London. This is the address where he is living. He was not married and had no relatives. Though he did not hold a regular job, he seemed to be quite rich. In this chapter, nothing is mentioned that he is doing a job anywhere, nothing. But from the ways, it seemed that he is quite rich. He went to his club, the Reform Club, every day without a fail. And one club is there, and the name of that was Reform Club, where he is going daily, where his friends daily come, but all of them did not know much about him, except that he was a man with orderly mind and regular habits, who lived by a clock. It means that everything is fixed. When he is going to have his breakfast, when he is going to have his dinner, when he is going to go for walk, every time is fixed in the clock, and he is doing everything by clock only. So one day what happened? Date is mentioned in the first paragraph, as you all can see, 2nd October 1872. Mr. Fogg has dismissed his previous servant because he brought in water for shaving that was 2 degrees cooler. Just see the thing, that water was 2 degrees cooler, so he dismissed him out. Why? Because he was very regular and orderly. He want everything, whatever he has fixed. So a man enters from left and approaches Mr. Fogg. So what he asked him? He asked, "Have you come for a job?" The man said, "Yes, sir. And my name is Jean Passepartout." Mr. Fogg, "Well, I hope you can stick to time." He said that if you want this job, you have to stick to time. You have to give me everything on time only. Otherwise, I will just turn you out of your job. And that is why a name is given to Mr. Fogg, and the name that is given was Clockwork Monster. Now just listen this, that I am not reading it like to the point. I am just telling you what is given on each and every page, okay? Now what happened? He said that I do not want any delay in anything. I want everything on time only. So after engaging Passepartout for work, Phileas Fogg just left home, and where he is going daily, I have just now told you. Recall? Yes, he is going to Reform Club. Once to the dining room, where he took his usual table, and his table was fixed where he is going. His lunch was ready for him, and it is daytime, so his lunch was ready for him. At 12:47 p.m., he rose and went in a large hall, where he read newspaper till the dinner hour. After finishing his dinner, just see what time he is finishing his dinner, at 5:40. He went back to the card room. Card, you know, that is played. Cards, you all know. So, to whom he is waiting for? He is waiting for his friends. And in the beginning, I have told you the name of the friends: John, Andrew, Samuel, Thomas, and Rob. So all of them join him at 6:10 p.m. One day, Mr. Fogg was playing a card game with his friend. But the other day, what happened? That his friends were discussing a bank robbery that had taken place. And how much robber has stolen? He had stolen 55,000 pounds. So his friends were saying that the thief had fled the country in guise of an English gentleman. Thief has fled means he had run. Guise means in appearance, how he has dressed up himself in an appearance of an English gentleman. Now, he said that friend said that it is not easy to catch the thief. You know, world is quite big. Even you cannot find some of the thieves in India only, and they said that he had fled from this place and he had gone in some other part of the country. The world is large enough for the man to disappear, and Mr. Fogg said, it was once. Now you can go around the world in 80 days. So he said it was time when it was easy for the thieves to fled and go, but now it is not like this. You can have a round of the world. You can take a round of the world in how many days? You can take it in 80 days. And from here only the name of the chapter come, that is Around the World in 80 days. Mr. Stott said, but that doesn't include bad weather, shipwreck, railway accident, and so on. I am willing to bet 2,000 pounds that it cannot be done. All included, I would like to see you do it in 80 days. Now friend said, okay, just let's have a bet. And I'll give you 2,000 pounds. And who said? This is said by Andrew, the friend name, okay? He said, okay, if you think that in 80 days you can have the round of a world, just have a bet of how many pounds? Of 2,000 pounds. Now, what reply Mr. Fogg gave? He said, I will bet 20,000 pounds again anyone who wishes that I will make a tour of the world in 80 days. He said, you are saying 2,000 and I am saying you 20,000 pounds. I'll give you 20,000 pounds. So Mr. Fogg, he wrote a check, a blank check. So the train leaves for Dover at 8:45 and he said that I accept your challenge and I am going to leave the place. So he left the place as it is today. Just remember the date, Wednesday 2nd October. I shall be here due on Saturday 21st December. He said that I am going to come on 21st December at 8:45, or else this check of 20,000 pounds will belong to you gentlemen. Now the bet is between the friends and Phileas Fogg. He said, just see the time. I am leaving from here at 8:45 on 2nd October and I will be back here on Saturday 21st December. If I will reach on time, this all money will be mine. And if I will not reach on time, then this all money will be yours. Now the scenes 3 start. Now, Mr. Fogg, he was being followed by a detective, and the name of that detective was Mr. Fix. What this man has in his mind, Mr. Fix, that Mr. Fogg is the same robber who had stolen 55,000 pounds. He was just thinking this thing, and he has in his mind that he is the same man who is just leaving the country and going from one place to other. But this is not the reality. He has only this misconception in his mind. But actually, Mr. Fogg, Phileas Fogg, was not the robber. So Mr. Fix was just going behind him every place where he is going. So Mr. Phileas Fogg and Passepartout had many adventures in their journey around the world, though did not stay anywhere for long. And they could not stay anywhere for long at any place. Reason being, if they stayed, what will happen? They would be late, and he was not able to reach on time, that is 21st December. And what is the time he is going to reach? 8:45. In India, Mr. Fogg rescued a beautiful order from certain death, and she accompanied them on rest of the journey. After many nail-biting adventures, Mr. Fogg, Oda, and Passepartout reached Liverpool, England at 11:40 a.m. As he thought, on 21st December, only 6 hours away from London, from winning the bet. Now they reach England at what time? At 11:40. On what time he said that London is how much? Only 6 hours away from here. He was only thinking this thing, that today is, sometime he is just not getting the thing. He said, okay, today is 21st December and only London is 6 hours away from here, England, and I would be able to reach my place on time. What happened? As I have told you, Mr. Fix was following Mr. Fogg. He was waiting to get onto British soil to arrest Mr. Fogg, and he did so in Liverpool. What Mr. Fix did? He arrested him. He said, I know that you are the same robber who had fled with 55,000 pounds. Now Mr. Fogg was put into jail, and his hopes of winning the bet came crashing down. He is thinking, now I have put in the jail only 6 hours away from my place, London. In the beginning I have told you he is living in London. Now he is thinking that I have been put in jail. Now I would not be able to reach my place and I have lost the bet. After so much time, everyone realized that Mr. Fogg was not the robber. So Mr. Fogg and Oda standing right on the stage, and they were looking very sad and dejected. Why sad? Because both of them were thinking this thing, that Mr. Fogg had lost the bet. Mr. Fogg said, I am sorry, it is now too late to reach the club in time to win the bet. I am a poor man, Oda, but I welcome you to my house. This man, Phileas Fogg, he wanted to marry this lady, Oda. He said, now as you know, I have lost the bet. And if he lose, how much money he has to give? I have told you in the beginning, 20,000 pounds. He said that, sorry, now I am very poor man, but still I want to welcome you to my house. Mr. Fogg, Passepartout, Mr. Fogg, we must hurry. Mr. Fogg, what is the matter? Passepartout, I have found that today is Saturday. He said, you are thinking that today is 21st. It is not like we are a day prior. It is only 20th. It is not 21st today. Somebody has told me that So Mr. Fogg said, Saturday? Impossible. How could it happen? Passepartout said, yes, we have made a mistake of one day. We have arrived 24 hours ahead of time. Means one day earlier we have arrived in England. And we had time to reach to London. We have too much time to reach to London. Now, but there are only 10 minutes left now. We must rush to the club. And what happened? That his friends were just looking at the clock. They have reached. Curtain opens. And it is 8:20. You remember I have told you that at what time he said? That what time he is going to reach? He is going to reach club at 8:45. Curtain opens and what it showed? A card room. Card room, you know, I have told you that all Phileas Fogg and the friends were playing card game over there. What is the date? 21st December 1872. All the four gentlemen, who gentlemen? Friends, were near the card table. And they were just waiting for his friend. One man enters room briskly. He asked that, do you get any news about Mr. Phileas Fogg? And they said, no, we have not heard anything about Phileas Fogg. Then other friend said, what time did the last train arrive from Liverpool? They said, the other Ralph said, Ralph is the name of the friend, he said 23 minutes past 7 and next one doesn't get here till 10 past 12. So they are thinking that one train has already arrived and in that also Phileas Fogg was not there and other one is going to reach late. So they thought, all the friends were thinking that Fogg has lost the bet and this 20,000 pounds are going to be there. Now you see, now the countdown starts. You know, all were just thinking that this man has not reached, though he is very punctual. How was it that Mr. Fogg, who was so exact and punctual in everything, could have made a mistake that day? You know, now what happened? Mistake that day, why he was taking time wrong. If I tell you, there is a reason behind this. Geographically, at every longitude, there is a difference of 4 hours. That is why you know this thing, that in your country it is night and in foreign countries it is day. So he reached one day earlier in England and he reached the club on time. When what happened? He reached exact on 21st December at 8:45 and his friends were quite disappointed because Phileas Fogg reached, he won the bet and the friends had to give him how much money? They had to give him 20,000 pounds and he said that I have proved that I had taken the round of the world in how many days? He had taken it in 80 days. So, thank you.